Well, as the pandemic and vaccine rollout continue, the health department says they're still seeing disproportionately low numbers of Hispanic people turning out to get the vaccine. They've kicked off a new campaign to get more people protected and encourage the Latinx community to get their vaccines. LEX 18's Claire Kopsky takes a closer look at their efforts.
Only 2%. That's how much of the Hispanic community the Lexington-Fayette County Health Department says they've seen get their COVID-19 vaccine.
We want this to increase. We need this to increase.
Dr. Gia Mudd has been helping distribute vaccines at Kroger Field and in neighborhoods. She says the odds were stacked against Hispanics from the start of the pandemic.
Much of the work in which they are involved, many are essential workers. And so they are working in environments where they would not be able to say, well, I'm going to work from home today.
Health officials are also working to combat the distrust factor.
This is a marginalized population that already has a target on them, and there's a distrust among government agencies. We want them to know that this is not a trap. You can come here, get the vaccine. We're not asking for identification from anyone. When people came in to say that I'm in phase 1C because I have diabetes, we took them on their word. We gave them the shot. And it's the same thing with anyone. There's no identification needed. You come in, you get your vaccine.
With Lexington City website and the University of Kentucky offering resources in multiple languages now, as well as some Latinx community leaders speaking out in favor of the vaccine, Dr. Mudd says that she's started to see some more acceptance among the Hispanic community. One man, for instance, rode his bike nearly 10 miles to get his shot.
And he was an elderly gentleman and had ridden his bike to get this vaccine because he was just so excited about it. And he said, me alegro, yo estoy tan feliz. I'm very happy that I can now get this vaccine, and I'm going home and tell all of my family members that they need to come over and get their vaccine as well.
A message that she hopes all who get their vaccine will share, especially in the Hispanic community. In Lexington, Claire Kopsky, LEX 18 News.